in the collaboration and productivity zone, and we're joined here by Ashley today, and we're going to be talking about workplace transformation.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Good, very good.
All right, so let's start by telling us about G Suite.
Great. So, well, G Suite, we took the apps you're probably already familiar with and you might use every day,
Yes.
like Gmail and Docs and Calendar and Drive. We've taken all of those and optimized them to solve business needs.
Great.
And together, all of those bring you secure, smart, and simple collaboration in the cloud. And what's great about G Suite is that when you use G Suite, teams can actually work together better and faster.
Great. And can you give us an example of this or a demonstration?
Great. So, there's a lot of businesses that are using G Suite, over 4 million actually, businesses like Airbus and PwC, Genentech, and they all use G Suite in slightly different ways. But I think you'd agree with me that all teams, regardless of industry, they all use G Suite to bring big ideas to life, hence the light bulb here.
That's
so what we have in this showcase is a great way for teams to come in and to take a look at all of the different products we have in G Suite and use them all together to essentially bring a bright idea to life.
Sounds very exciting. So can you tell us what's next in G Suite?
Great. Well, today at Next, you might have heard my colleague Prabhakar, he announced a lot of great new innovations for G Suite. Tomorrow we have a lot more in store, and we've seen a lot of great momentum for G Suite. So certainly a lot of innovations that help make G Suite more secure, smart, and simple, and really help teams, everything from helping you book meetings in a way where you don't actually have to do the booking, to looking at a spreadsheet and having our technology like Explore Sheets figure out things for you or give insights to you, and all you have to do is ask. So we're always looking for ways to make your life easier at your job so you can really focus on what matters.
Perfect. And if people are hoping to find more about G Suite, where would they go?
Come to Next. And also, we have a great website, gsuite.google.com, and you can learn a lot more there. Or, tell your leadership team to get on G Suite if you're not already.
Perfect. Well, thanks so much. And we're also joined here today by Indy. Welcome, Indy. How are you doing?
Good, Natalie. How are you doing? Good morning.
Really well. So we're going to talk about custom apps and workflow. Can you start by giving us a little bit of an overview of what that means?
Absolutely, absolutely. So if you think about how G Suite works and how it helps people collaborate and be more productive, on the back end, there's this whole infrastructure that G Suite is built on. And what we realized is there was a huge opportunity for us to expose it to our developers, just so they could also build apps for themselves and workflows that help them foster even more collaboration and productivity in the enterprise. So that's what we're trying to show over here.
Perfect. And I can see you've got some screens set up there. What does a typical demonstration look like?
Yeah, so today, so this whole week, we're going to be showing a bunch of demos, that, in particular AppMaker, which is our new low-code developer environment for G Suite. So it helps basically companies build the business apps that they need, but build it by themselves, right? So tap into the energy, the enthusiasm of either, sort of the power users, the administrators, or also the enterprise IT, but really make it easy to build a custom app that looks and feels just as great as G Suite applications.
Yes, and I hear one of the reasons why customers love using AppMaker is just for the ease of use. So if you don't have deep technical skills, you can still make beautiful workflows.
That's exactly right. So AppMaker, like I said, is low code. The beauty of it is that you can basically, if you have an idea for an app, you can basically, we have a lot of different steps you can take, actually very few, but where you connect your data model, you can drag and drop UI elements to make an app that looks and feel to your liking, right? And even work collaboratively on it. So it kind of takes all the pain and the donkey work out of making an app, but basically lets you do it in a way that's highly declarative. So you bind your data, you connect it to the things you care about, and then you just hit publish, and then you have an app that you can share with your teams.
Easy way to get started. So leading into my next question, if our viewers were to think about getting started with AppMaker and they wanted to hear a little bit more information, where would they go?
Yeah, so to get started with AppMaker, you can actually go to developers.google.com/G Suite, and that actually lets you, there's a link for AppMaker as well as all of the other great tools that we have on part of the G Suite platform, so our APIs, extensibility frameworks, and other things that developers can use.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much for your time.
You're welcome.